Hello everyone. Starting today, I'll try to post some videos on mathematics, okay, for the Living Cert, because as you know, you have completed your mock exam and you have gone through one full cycle of the exam period, and now you know your drawbacks. Now you know where you have to improve and what are your strong topics, what are your weak topics. So here, I'm going to try to cover all the topics of Living Cert, and every day I will try to post some videos. So please watch it. It'll be very short videos which you will be able to watch it within maybe five minutes or 10 minutes, and you will get a quick grasp of the topic. Okay, so please watch this video, and if you are comfortable with the topic, watch it in 1.5 speed. That is that is what I recommend everyone. And then if you want further questions, go through it very slowly and do some further questions so that the topic becomes very thorough with you. And please share it with your friends, because I really wish that many people get advantage out of these videos which I'm creating. So please share it also. Okay. Um, okay. So let's first look at this question. So you have a function. Which is given by f of x is equal to x. Okay, we'll be working only on exam questions. Okay, so x by x plus 3 into 2x plus 1 divided by x square plus x minus 6. And they're saying that show that f of x is equal to x plus 1 divided by x plus 2. So as and when you see a fraction and on algebraic expression, you have to remember that there is some sort of simplification which will come into picture. So when you see this fraction here, there's two fractions which is given by an addition sign. So here, the first thing what you have to remember is there will be some sort of factorizing which will come into picture. So if I see this question, this cannot be factorized, this cannot be factorized, this cannot be factorized, but this can be factorized. Okay, so then the expression which can be factorized is x square plus x minus 6. Now you should know how to factorize this. If you don't know, if you have something like x square plus x minus 6, what you do is you take the last term 6 and then find the factors of 6, which is like 1 and 6, sorry, 1 and 6 and 2 and 3, and find out which two factors added together will give you a 1, which is a 1 here. Okay, so I see that it is 2 and 3, and 2 and 3 should be of different signs, so it should be plus 3 and minus 2. So the factors will be x plus 3 and x minus 2. Okay, so that I'm going to put it here, so that the answer will be x divided by x plus 3 plus 2, 3 times 2x plus 1 divided by x plus 3 times x minus 2. Okay, now you see that there are two terms which are equal in there. Okay, so the next step is to make the denominator same. Only then you can add for a fraction. So what you will do is like you multiply the first one with x minus 2. So then that will become x times x minus 2 divided by x plus 3 times x minus 2 plus 3 into 2x plus 1 divided by x plus 3 x minus 2. Okay, now since the denominators are the same, you can just simplify this as x into x minus 2 plus 3 into 2x plus 1 divided by x plus 3 x minus 2. Now it's the matter of only simplifying the numerator, which is like x square minus 2x plus 6x plus 3 divided by x plus 3 x minus 2. I'm sorry, since I don't have the space, I'm going to write it here. So x square plus 4x plus 3, simplifying the like terms here, divided by x plus 3 x minus 2. Now if you look back at the answer, it's not the same, right? It is only x plus 1 and x minus 2. Then again you have to remember there's some sort of factorization which will come into picture. The numerator can be factorized. So to factorize that, what you will do, x square plus 4x plus 3 can be factorized as x plus 3 and x plus 1. Same method as we used before. Okay, then x plus 3 x minus 2, and since it is multiplication, so remember everywhere it is multiplication. Since it is multiplication, you can cancel this out. Remember, you can cancel only when multiplying, and then you will get the answer x plus 1 divided by x minus 2. Okay, so it's a first question. It is like 10-mark question, but it's a very easy question which you can do, and you can get that mark. Okay, now let's look at the next question. multiply out and simplify 2m plus 1 the whole square. Very easy question, which we have worked in starting from junior cert. So whenever you see there's a square here, you have to remember 2m plus 1 the whole square. How do you simplify it? You just simplify it to 2m plus 1 times 2m plus 1. There's another method which we can work with. I will show it after this. So this is the basic method, okay? So then you simplify this as 2m times 2m plus 1 times 2m plus 1. Okay, that's not divided by. Okay, that's equal to 4m square plus 2m plus 2m plus 1. This is equal to 4m square plus 4m plus 1. Okay, very easy question. Now let me tell you an alternate method for this. So if I want to do 2m plus 1 the whole square, there is an algebraic identity a plus b the whole square. So for those of you who have learned this, you will know that a plus b the whole square is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. So if you remember this, you can directly apply this to 2m plus 1 the whole square, and here it will be, this is a and this is b. So to simplify that, you will get, okay, I'll just write it in stepwise. So that is 2m the whole square plus 2 times 2m times 1 plus 1 square. So that is equal to 4m square plus 4m plus 1. Okay, any method you can use, whichever you use, you will get the marks. Okay, now the third question which I have here is, write the following expression as a single fraction in its simplest form. Okay, it's a very easy question. Again, it's like a junior cycle question. Maybe this had come into 2022 deferred paper, maybe because of that they gave such a simple question, but whatever it is, let us learn this. Okay, so whenever you have a fraction with a plus sign or a minus sign, whenever you have two fractions, so here you have one fraction here, another fraction given by a positive or a negative sign, what you should do, you should do cross multiplying. So always whenever you have a fraction like this, you work with cross multiplying. I have videos on how to deal with fractions, which is a very detailed video on this channel. So if you don't know this, please go and watch this. Okay, because this method will help you in any fraction, and this is without, and you can do it without making any mistakes. Okay, so that is why this is important. So cross multiplying, the first step is you multiply the denominators together and write it as a denominator. So x times 3x minus 5. You can write it in either way, x times 3x minus 5 or 3x minus 5 times x. Then what you do, then the next step is you multiply this side. Always remember, you start from the topmost right portion and then multiply it downwards. Okay, so then this is the two things which you have to multiply. So then you will get 2x, then you multiply this side. So that is 2x minus, always remember, put the plus or minus because many people make that mistake, 6 times 3x minus 5, and that is equal to 2x minus 6, 18x plus 30 divided by 3x minus 5 times x. Now you can further simplify this as 2x. 2x minus 18x can be written as minus 16x plus 30 divided by x into 3x minus 5. Okay, that is it. Okay, that's it for today.